The earth was without form and void. Okay, so the earth was without form and void. The simplification still correlates with the process of a planet because it's God's world and this is the word of God, which means that it should still correlate with the God's world that we do know. So in this context, God creating the heaven and earth, I think it just says, God created heaven and earth, but it's at the same time, it's sort of going through the process of that because, I don't think you just zap an entire planet just into existence just like that. You just created it, but what does God's creation entail? Like, what does it mean when God creates things? It means it just happens in forms in the world, right? Like in the universe. We know that the hand of God isn't just this instant thing, it's a process. So I think that the earth being without form and void, God created the heavens and the earth, which again, I still just think is the electromagnetic field creating this sort of suction field, inner field atmosphere around some whatever is creating that magnetic field, which is the super hot Earth core, is the heaven and the earth through again a scientific breakdown, but also like a metaphysical breakdown of like what heaven and hell is at the same time. Like the earth is just our sort of worldly existence, but also like hell being earth and heaven is afterlife, but at the same time heaven is the heaven that we think of heaven, like, oh, heaven, the pearly gates of heaven, you've made a child. Void simply meant without life, and I think without form meant without the characteristics of the face of the planet. Mountains, water, biomes, the grass and the animals. It was void, and without form means that it's talking about just like a hot core